The world of FPV drones just hit a wall, and DJI is about to smash right through it. For the last few years, if you wanted that impossible 360-degree shot where the drone is invisible, you had to hack together expensive cameras, deal with shaky mounts, and pray the stitching didn't fail. But right now, something is happening in the hidden test fields of DJI that is about to make every other sinew hoop on the planet look like a museum piece. I'm talking about the DJI Avata 360. This isn't just an Avata 3. It is a complete reimagining of what it means to fly. If you think you've seen everything FPV has to offer, you need to stop what you're doing and listen. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Because in the next 30 minutes, I'm going to show you why the Avata 360 is about to become the most controversial, most powerful, and most advanced flying camera ever built. Let's get straight to the impossible lens. The biggest leak surrounding the Avata 360 isn't just a bigger sensor, it's a dual-lens 8K spherical system. Imagine a drone that doesn't just look forward, but looks everywhere, all at once. We are talking about two massive 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors mounted on a revolutionary rotating gimbal. This isn't just for 360-degree video, it's for reframing in post. You can fly a high-speed dive down a mountain, and after you land, you can decide whether the camera was looking at the ground, at the sky, or even back at you. It's like having a 10-man camera crew following you in the air, capturing every single angle simultaneously. But here is the kicker, the hybrid transformation. Reports from FCC filings and internal leaks suggest that the Avata 360 can physically rotate its camera module into a clean FPV mode. With one tap on your motion controller, the lenses align to give you a traditional 4K 120 frames per second ultra-wide view, minimizing drag and maximizing speed. This makes it the first drone in history that is both a high-speed racing machine and a professional 360-degree cinema camera. It's two drones in one body, and the industry is shaking because of it. Now, let's talk about the invisible flight physics. The Avata 360 uses a flattened, aerodynamic frame that is significantly different from the chunky Avata 2. Why? To make the drone disappear. Using advanced stitching algorithms powered by the new O4 Plus transmission system, the drone effectively erases itself from the 360-degree footage. You get that magic wand effect where the viewer wonders how a camera is floating through a forest without a drone attached to it. This has been the holy grail for creators, and DJI just handed it to us on a silver platter. Let's address the safety, because if you're flying an 8K 360 drone, you don't want to crash it. The Avata 360 is rumored to feature omnidirectional LiDAR sensing. We aren't just talking about basic fisheye sensors. We are talking about laser-based distance measuring that works in pitch-black darkness. This drone creates a 3D map of its surroundings in real time. If you're flying through a complex building or a dense forest, the AI is literally seeing obstacles before you do, adjusting your flight path by millimeters to avoid a collision. It makes FPV flying accessible to people who have never even touched a controller before. For the USA audience, there's an even bigger story, the O4 Plus connection. One of the biggest complaints in North America has always been signal penetration in urban areas. The Avata 360 is debuting a refined version of